What's up, guys? And I'm back into another video. Um, I haven't made a lot of videos recently. Um, I was just kind of having fun for myself with my family. But yeah, back to YouTube. Um, today's video is going to be about updates, and yeah, let's talk about the updates. Let's go. Uh, I actually got you. We're actually not going anywhere. Um, so I'm gonna try cosmetics first. Um, but I'll try and remember some of the updates. So there is the Samurai update, the Alpha. I'm not sure if they're in order, but I know Alpha came first. Then I think it was Samurai, Rockstar, Adventure. And then I don't know if it was a Yeti, because there's the Yeti claws in the game. But then the rest of the cosmetics and updates stuff. This dog keep coming back. Get out. I want everyone to post dog and explode. And I will explode my dog. I will glitch him out of the map. I'm not afraid to do it, buddy. Yeah, so comet, explosion, and dog. Perfect. Okay. Uh, okay. I found the dressing. So, okay. So this is the cosmetics place, by like right there. That's where you put them on. Anyway, you can't see my cosmetics, but I can. I can see them. They're all right here. So if you haven't noticed, I'm actually wearing a very different type kind of thing. The army sleeves are from the war update. I don't know what update this shirt was in though. It's an interesting one. This was when the yeah, I can't remember. Uh okay, I can't remember. It was like a warrior thing. Yeah, I can't remember. Yeah, it was pretty cool though. This okay, I'm going to take off my head. You guys earned it. Like we literally got 1,300 views. Okay, you guys ready? I'm sorry I cut out, but I'm finally going to grab my head and take it off. After all, we did get 1,300 views on my first video at this time, unless you're watching this in the future, maybe more, probably more. Um, we crushed the 500 views. Okay, I'm gonna take it off. 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, this is what I actually look like without the mask. I'm going to be doing this for 3 whole videos. Do you guys think this is a curse? Or is this not a curse? I'm gonna say curse. Curse. To fix my jawline. Uh, Oh, yeah. All right, there we go. All right. Anyway, yeah. Let's go. Go. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, we've Okay, so we've got the Christmas wish list update. We've got wires update. Uh, I'm gonna count these as updates. The Halloween update and the Easter update. They're kind of updates. Pet updates. By the way, comment guys if I missed anything. And if you guys know, just if you could say it in order, that would be amazing. Um, yeah, but anyway, when I'm looking at it, we've got the weird like this. We've got that shirt update. We've got wiring update, spooky update with the monster. Uh, we've we've got the war update. Um, here's the new volume update. I'm not sure what it was called. Uh, this one was new. This one was more cosmetics. Yeah, this is the Christmas. You guys want to be Santa next time? Ho ho ho! I don't know if they're gonna have the same thing. Oh yeah, can't forget about pirate update. It came with a knife in the mouth. I didn't really enjoy this. No, it wasn't that fun of a cosmetic. Uh, this isn't really an update. This is just like a cool thing. This is a Gods of Gravity item. Which, yeah, if you see, you can actually get the zipper as well. And if you don't know what Gods of Gravity is, it's a really amazing game where I think I can maybe show you on the screen. I don't know. But Gods of Gravity is an amazing game with crazy ships. Um, you're basically floating, trying to either do co-op, single player versus bot. Uh, Galactic War. That's a thing. That's crazy. I think there's way more, and there's a crazy amount of devs. They actually show it on the board. I actually climbed all the way to the top when I did that, and it was really high. Um, yeah, and oh yeah, I can't forget about two more updates left. We've got the pet update. Yeah, we got pet update. I think the pet update was really sick. Okay, anyway. Um, we're finally here to the you guys can kind of see it. We finally made it to the prop hunt update. Way better than pets update because you can actually hide as props. Only it's a little expensive though. If you go straight up, it's less. Um, yeah, they did make a mini update just like a few days ago. If you're watching this right now. Oh no! Don't run! Don't run! Yeah, don't run. Okay. They also added pet cosmetics. Don't even think about wearing my glasses or my hat. Um. Yeah, but that's all for today, guys, and live clicking buttons. Alright, anyway, that's all for today, guys, and I'll see you next time. Also, remember, in the next video, if I get at least 5 to 10 comments about the dog exploding, I'll literally, for the whole entire next video, I will literally just try to explode my dog out of the map. So, if you like glitches and you want to know how to get your really annoying pet out of the game, then I need to see at least 5 comments with a dog emoji and explode emoji. Okay? I'm gonna drop you from here. Like if you want me to drop him. Subscribe if you want me to save him. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Dang, you guys are good at this. You subscribe. I'm very happy about you subscribing so I can save the dog. Oh, 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 no, 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 no! Yeah, we're gonna cut that bit out, right? Oh, ah, yeah, no. Alright, bye!
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!